Attention pass holders, Joffrey's Coffee just dropped limited time holiday themed beverages across all four Disney parks. And you'll want to try them all out before they're gone. Hi, coffee drinkers. I'm Kristen with Dining at Disney, and here are the five annual pass holder exclusive coffees available beginning November 13th tomorrow through December 30th of 2025. Over at Magic Kingdom at the Joffrey's Revive kiosk, you can get the cheerful elf latte, a merry and bright latte with peppermint and vanilla syrup. It's topped with whipped cream and crushed candy cane pieces. At all of the Joffrey's kiosks at Epcot, you'll be able to get Yuletide Log Mocha. It's a warm and toasty latte with dark chocolate sauce and toasted marshmallow syrup, topped with whipped cream, chocolate, and graham cracker crumbs. At all of the Joffrey kiosks at Disney's Hollywood Studios, you'll be able to get the cookie butter gingerbread latte. This one is a sugared and spiced latte with cookie butter syrup, cinnamon syrup, and spiced brown sugar syrup. And it's topped with whipped cream and ginger man sprinkles. So cute. And at all of the Joffrey kiosks at Disney's Animal Kingdom, you'll be able to get cocoa and spice, a cozy combo of hot cocoa by Joffrey's and pumpkin pie syrup, and it's topped with whipped cream and pumpkin spice. If you happen to be over at Disney Springs at that Joffrey's, you'll be able to get Santa's Thumbprint Cookie Latte, a holly jolly latte with almond and raspberry syrup, topped with whipped cream and raspberry. And that Joffrey's Disney Springs location is located over in the landing. If you love Disney food as much as I do, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. And make sure to check out our video all about the holiday treats at the Disney World resorts. It's pure festive magic.